What a nervous night to be walking home from the movies, Scooby-Doo. And all because you had to stay and see Star, Dog Ranger of the North Woods, twice. It's coming from the bushes. Go see what it is, Scooby. Don't worry. I'm right behind you. Scooby, come back! Wait!
Where we go? Where we go?
Like next time, signal.
Now look what that dog did. He knows I can't see without my glasses. Oh, there you are, Shaggy. You sound terrible. I told you to take care of that cold. Lucky I brought your medicine.
I can't find that Velma nowheres. Zoinks!
This'll fix you up in a jiffy.
Let's get out of here!
See? You sound better already!
I tell you, the Black Knight is alive and roaming through the hallways.
If we could only find a clue. It's Scooby!
When Velma said clue, she didn't mean you, Scooby.
Right, Velma. This just about solves the mystery.
What?
No time to explain now, Shaggy. We gotta get the sheriff.
Let's take this back way out.
Leave it to Daphne to pick the wrong door. Zoinks! Scooby, like, do something. Zoinks! Scooby! We did it, Scooby-Doo! We did it!
We did it?